Hello guys, my name is Akash and you're watching Tech Tips, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can change your Mi Band 4 watch face. So let's start. Before starting this video, I would like to tell you guys, please subscribe to my channel because I bring such an amazing tricks for you guys. So let's start with the tutorial. For this process you need an Mi Band 4 and the app name as Mi Fit should be installed on your phone. This is my phone and this is the Mi Fit app, and you should connect your watch through this Mi Fit application. So I will connect this first. So I have connected my band through this, and you can see this is the battery percent which is showing exactly same as here. So there is one setting you have to do in this your application, that you have to go to your Mi Band 4 and you have to click in this, and here down you will see discoverable. You have to make your Mi Band discoverable, so here you have to press on button. So this you have to agree. So you have switched on your Mi Band to discoverable mode, and next you have to download the app name as a Image Faces. This is available both for iOS and Android. So you have to just install this application and click here. So this is the application. You can see here you have to just go here and you have to select the watch faces you want. So these are the watch faces. You can select your devices which you want. So mine device is Mi Band 4, so I will select here from here and press on the connect button. So it has connected, and now I will see the watch faces. These are the watch faces you can set on your Mi Band. So mostly I keep my watch faces as the iOS. So for that you have to type here any of the watch faces which include iOS. So these are the iOS watch faces which I like the most. So one of this I will keep on my Mi Band 4. So I like this personally, so I will download it and set it on my Mi Band. So see, this is the actual, now you can see this is the watch face, current watch face. You can see this is the current watch face. Now I will change this to this. So you have to just click on the download button. So it will start downloading. After that it will ask you to connect your Mi Band. So just click on the connect button. So yeah, it has been connected by my Mi Smart Band 4. So I will just install it. See, here it is updating. You can see here. So it has completed and the watch faces has been updated in my Mi Smart Band 4. You can see this is the watch face which I kept, and it is same as it is. You can see it's same as it is. You can also change to various if you like. These are the fresh ones which are recently updated. See, there are plenty of them. You have to just type the name. So let's change this to this. So it's just connecting my device. So it has connected with my Mi Band Smart 4. So just click on the install button and it will sync. So see, this is the watch face. We have installed it on our Mi Band 4. So you can see it looks like iPhone 11. You can see it actually looks like iPhone 11, and you can also keep your photo on this Mi Band 4. It looks very similar, and you can enjoy this by using many of the wallpapers which you want. And if you like this video, do not forget to comment down below, like my video and share with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye.